Hi, I'm Yvonne from Pre-Designs. Thanks for stopping by and having a little look at my video. I'm just going to show you a few quick and easy gift packaging ideas leading up to the 12 days of Christmas, and I'm just calling it the 12 days of Craftmas. So this one is a little Tetra box. I put a little tag on it, very simple, very easy. And for this one I've used a quarter sheet of A4 cardstock, which actually measures 10.5 by 14.8 centimeters. It's a perfect size for a little lip balm, something small, a few little chocolates, just a nice little easy gift. I'm going to show you the measurements to make a slightly bigger one. And this piece of cardstock measures it's a quarter sheet of 12 by 12 designer series paper, which measures 6 inches by 6 inch or 15.3 by 15.3. So I want to have this side on display. So I'm just going to, or on the outside, I'm just going to use our tear and tape, which is perfect for packaging making rather than using glue. It adheres beautifully and it will last the test of time. So I'm just popping that on the outside. Then I'm going to flip over to the inside and put just a little tear and tape across the bottom and also across the top. I don't have to go quite all the way to the very ends. Tear and tape is great because you don't even have to pick up your scissors, but you do want to burnish that tape into the cardstock or into your designer series paper, and I'm just going to run that down the sides there. Then I want to release the paper, so you can either do this with your fingernail or with the pointy end of it, scissors. Flip it over and then join those two sides together. A little bit tricky. You want to try and get it as straight as you possibly can. And then burnish those folds together or ends together. Okay, so far I've just got a nice quick and easy cylinder. Then I actually want to seal one end because I want to keep the other end open so that I can pop some goodies in there. So I'm just going to seal the bottom. So I'm just going to flick up the tear and tape from the inside. Get that off. And I don't want to have my seam exactly down the center back. I just want to take it off to the side a little bit. Sorry, I've got to flip that up. And then I'm just making the bottom ends meet. Again, I'll just use my bone scorer just to make sure that the adhesive is nicely burnished. Then once I've put my goodies inside, I would actually take off the top tape on the inside and close it up there. That is a really quick and easy gift box. Now I do want to finish it off. A little bit of ribbon. Now this is my favourite Stampin' Up ribbon. It's our white crinkle ribbon because you can colour this. You can leave it white, you can colour it with your blends, you can colour it with your ink. So it's just my go-to ribbon because then I can colour it to any colour I wish. I'm just going to tie a simple bow around the middle of the little box. If my fingers want to work properly, pull that out, play with it till I'm happy, and it's just slid down a little bit, so I just want to push that up so that it's nice and tight around the middle of the little box. I could hold it in place with a little bit of glue or a little bit of tape, but for this one I'll just leave it as is. And then to finish off, I've made a little tag just so that you can put somebody's name on it. Now these are the tailor-made tag dies, and you get 4 different sizes of each of the 2 shapes. So I've just used the little square one, and then you get these gorgeous little ends. So the little reinforcements that I'm just going to adhere onto that one. Just pop a little bit of glue, and then you've also got the circle reinforcements for the more intricate little tag. So a little bit of glue and then just pop it on. And that just gives it a nice little contrast and just finishes off the tag. And then that's going to be easy for me to write who the little gift is for. And then to finish off the whole lot, a little bit of baker's twine, and this is from our essential, baker's twine pack. You get your 5 different colours. Again, a great little basic to have in your craft supply. Fold that in half and then loop the ends through the circle. Pull it up. And then I'm just going to thread it through the ribbon and tie it off. And that is a really, really quick and simple little gift box. And as I said, just perfect for giving as a little gift. You could put $100 notes in there. You could put diamonds in there. Depends on who you're actually giving the gift to. And then when I pop the gift in, then I'm just going to seal up the end. Hope this is helpful. Of course, you can use any designer series paper. This one is our little snowman, penguins and penguin playmates from our celebrations. The promotion has finished now, but I'm sure you've got a nice piece of designer series paper that you can easily use. You could also actually use this as your place cards for your table. You could make these one for each person, put their name on here and have a couple of nice little chocolates in there for them to take home afterwards or for your after dinner treat. Thanks very much. Merry Christmas.